After the victory of gods over the Titans, Zeus and his siblings claimed Mount Olympus as their home. This was a mystical place from where the Olympian gods ruled over the mortal world. Zeus, as the leader of the gods, located his throne on Mount Olympus, establishing it as the divine realm. From then on, Mount Olympus in Greek mythology became an imaginative place beyond human reach, symbolizing divine power and authority. The Olympian gods could descend from Mount Olympus to earth when necessary. But they often remained in their divine realm, enjoying their immortal lives and partaking in divine feasts and gatherings. Olympian gods weave their interactions, conflicts, and relationships on Mount Olympus and embody various aspects of life, nature, and human experience. Mount Olympus is where the divine realm intersects with the mortal world. It is the vibrant sample of ideal perfection in form and function, and contrast with the flaws of humanity. It's a place free from conflict and suffering, bringing about ultimate success and happiness. Mount Olympus signifies the ultimate authority of the gods over humanity and nature, where gods govern the cosmos to intervene in human affairs. As mortals, we can discover ourselves and get to know more about those around us through knowing more about the gods on Mount Olympus. It's a bridge between gods and humanity, highlighting the divine's inaccessibility and distinction between mortals and immortal realms. Mount Olympus, as the pivotal concept in ancient Greek mythology, has inspired countless works of art, literature, and philosophy, symbolizing not only spiritual beliefs, but also reflecting deeper philosophical concepts regarding morality and existence. They depict interactions between gods and mortals, tales of divine justice, and the complexity of human emotions and desires as influenced by the gods. Today, the myths surrounding Mount Olympus continue to influence contemporary literature, films, and games, maintaining its place in popular culture through reinterpretations of Greek mythology. This week's art assignment invites you to unleash your imagination free from the constraints of any previous knowledge. Your muse is the magnificent Mount Olympus, the legendary heart of Greek mythology. How do you perceive Mount Olympus, where the gods live above the earth? Imagine vividly this enchanting landscape bursting with life and casting an ethereal glow over the world below. Feel the whispers of ancient tales carried by the winds that rustle through the divine gardens of Olympus. As you create, let the vibrant color, majestic forms, and mythical tales flow through your brush, capturing the essence of a place where dreams and deities converge. Explore the eternal dance of mortals and immortals and find your unique expression in this wondrous realm. The canvas awaits your creative exploration.